Porsche Parts Distribution Center in Wals-Siezenheim, which belongs to Porsche Holding Salzburg, together with the Parts Center Buda Ors in Hungary, is the central hub for the supply of spare parts for the Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Cupra, Skoda, and Porsche brands in a total of 18 countries. It plays a leading role in terms of performance and customer satisfaction. To keep repair times as short as possible for customers, fast and reliable delivery to repair shops is crucial. This is where logistics expert Raben comes in, a proven partner with whom and whose predecessors have been working closely for over 40 years. Since 1984, the distribution center in Wals-Siezenheim has been supplying dealers of Volkswagen Group brands in Austria with original parts. Today, Austrian dealers receive the parts they need within just 13 hours, made possible by perfectly coordinated cooperation between Porsche and Raben. Around 25,000 items are shipped daily from the 77,000 square meter warehouse. Every month, around 600 wagons and trucks leave the parts distribution center to efficiently supply over 800 dealerships with spare parts. The daily shipment of wagons provided by Raben is carried out overnight along the ÖBB's western route to the final station, the Raben Depot in Vienna-Inzersdorf, with direct rail connection. This transport not only reduces truck traffic, but also saves CO2 and is unique in Austria's logistics sector. Sustainability is a high priority at the Parts Distribution Center. As a subsidiary of Europe's largest automotive trading company, the goal is to set standards in the area of environmental responsibility as well. Here, sustainable action means balancing ecological and economic interests. This philosophy is also shared by the logistics partner Raben. Green logistics is a central theme of the corporate strategy and connects Porsche and Raben far beyond their operational cooperation. In the early morning, the wagons are unloaded at the innovative transshipment terminal Vienna-Inzersdorf. After transshipment, the parts are delivered the last mile by truck, punctually, efficiently, and reliably. A well-coordinated process, supported by a partnership of equals for over 4 decades. Together, Porsche and Raben ensure that dealers are well supplied and end customers remain mobile.